Suki here. It's time to check in with Boys and Girls Clubs of Canada to see what they're cooking up for Kid Food Nation. Today, Andrea is cooking stir-fry and telling us why we compost.
From farm to table, our food travels a long way to get to our plates. Like this delicious sweet chili tofu stir-fry we all made together. All these vegetables came from local Ontario farms not far from here.
Okay.
We're gonna prep all the vegetables, and anything that you're gonna take out, we're actually gonna add into our compost for later.
All of those fingers of yours?
But just as important as where our food comes from is where it goes, besides our tummies. Take all these pieces and add it to our compost bin. Composting is a great way to give back to the earth and enrich the soil with the food scraps that we don't eat. Speaking of which, are you gonna eat that?
For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.